What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about how to find the perfect hair product for your hair. Let's get started. Alright, so first thing that I need to do is get rid of this flat sorry mess. Hold on 1 second. Hold up real quick, I forgot to mention that today I'm going to show you 4 different hairstyles using 4 different hair products that Hanz De Fuko sent over to me to try. So each time I'm going to go wash my hair, wash all the product out of it, shampoo, condition it, and then bring it back here to style it for you. So let's go wash this hair real quick. So my hair has just been shampooed and conditioned just like normal. It's a little bit damp, about 10% moisture, which is what you want when applying hair products to your hair to make sure that it doesn't get diluted while you're applying it into your hair. Alright, so first up we're going to be using the Hanz De Fuko Gravity Paste. Now from what I understand, this product is a medium to high hold with a natural kind of a shine to it. So I'm going to go with my normal amount, about a dime size, and right off the bat it feels very like slimy, sticky kind of. I don't know if that's the right way to describe it. It feels kind of like creamy, but like it has a little bit of a grip to it. So once that's emulsified, I'm gonna go ahead and work it through my hair. And since this is like a medium to high hold, I'm gonna go for a textured fringe type of look with this product. Alright, and as you can see, this is the final results. To go over how the product feels in my hair, I would say that the Gravity Paste has a very light, natural kind of feeling hold. It almost makes my hair feel really, really soft and playful. I can move it around a lot. I can shape it how I want it to be shaped. And overall, this is just a great product. I would definitely recommend the Gravity Paste to someone who has thinner hair to medium thickness hair because it doesn't have that much hold. If your hair is on the thinner side or if it's not too thick, this is going to offer you a very substantial amount of hold. And not only that, it really does feel great in my hair. And it's really playful, it's nice, it's soft, it just looks really good. So let's get a quick 360 view of this hairstyle. Alright, now let's shampoo again. Alright, and we're back shampooed and conditioned again, and for this next hairstyle I'm going to be using the Hanz De Fuko Sponge Wax. Alright, right off the bat, this looks a lot thicker than the Gravity Paste did, and it actually feels quite thicker too. So I'm going to get the same amount, just like I did before, about a dime size, and I'm going to emulsify that in my hands. As I'm emulsifying it, it feels creamy. It feels like it has a little bit less resistance than the Gravity Paste did before. So I'm curious to see how this is gonna go in my hair. Alright, right off the bat, there's distinctly more tug when I'm applying this product to my hair. It feels a lot thicker. It feels a lot more dense. I can just feel it in my hair. Overall, a lot more. Alright, now I'm going to style the sponge wax, and for this hairstyle I'm going to sort of go for the textured quiff kind of hairstyle. So it's going to be a tight quiff, but it's going to be a little bit more loose than the traditional one, if that makes sense. Hopefully. You'll see. You'll see. Look at that. Look at the amount of fluff this has. That's crazy. Alright, so immediately I can tell that I overestimated the hold that this product, I mean, just look at that. Really light and bouncy. I mean, just look at that. I mean, like, it's fluff. But I could always go back in and add more product if I wanted to. Yeah, I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more product. Hold on. Alright, I've got a little bit more here. We'll see if this tightens it up a little bit. I'm sure it will. But that's actually a lot looser of a hold than I thought it was. Yeah, even with more product, it still feels quite light. Decent amount of shine too. So I know I said I was gonna go for a textured quiff, but this actually ended up being a lot more of a tight quip than I anticipated, just because this product was a lot lighter in my hair than I thought it was going to be. I actually thought that it was going to be pretty thick, just based on looking at it, the viscosity in my hand when I was emulsifying it, and just the way that it felt when it was tugging my hair. But when I ran the hairdryer through it, it softened up like no other. This is at least 2 times of a lighter hold than the other product was. The only reason that it looks like I have more volume in this hairstyle is because I tried to get more volume with the hairdryer, whereas the other one I just tried to give it a little bit of texture. So I would recommend this hair product to someone who has extremely thin hair, light hair, hair that doesn't weigh a ton, because that will give you a lot of hold. Now, if you like a lighter feeling product in your hair, I would recommend the sponge box. It really doesn't feel like I have much in my hair at all. It doesn't feel heavy, feels really light, feels really soft. I can still run my fingers through it without it being tuggy and annoying and stiff. It's overall, like, it's a solid product. It really, really is. All right, let's give a quick 360 view of this hairstyle. Alright guys, now let's go shampoo out the sponge backs and try the next product. Oh, we're back, shampooed and conditioned, ready for the next hairstyle, which is going to be using the Modify Pomade. Oh guys, low-key, I'm so scared to use this product. I don't like to use pomades because they make me feel like a greasy, nasty mess. But for you guys, I'm willing to try anything. So I'm going to be quite conservative with this stuff. I'm getting just a little bit, because I know how greasy pomades can make your hair look. I know that's kind of the point. I just don't like it that much. But we'll try it. We'll try it. And I'm especially going to focus on the back of my head, because I don't want the front to look like a greasy, nasty mess. Who knows? Maybe my mind will be changed. I'm also going to incorporate a new tool to style this. That tool being a comb, because I want this stuff to be completely evenly distributed through my hair. I don't want there to be no grease clumps nowhere.
Pinacho, Pinacho, Pinacho,
Alright. Low-key, this ain't that bad. This looks pretty clean. It looks pretty professional. I look like I'm ready to go to a party. It looks clean, it looks nice and slick. It doesn't look greasy at all. It has a little bit of a natural shine. Honestly, like Hanz De Fuko, I am extremely impressed. You're the first pomade that I have ever used and that I've liked this much. So, wow. I'm actually kind of shocked right now. I never thought that I would like this look. It looks pretty good. I would definitely recommend this hair product to all types of hair, thin hair, medium hair, thick hair. It's anywhere in between. This product is absolutely solid. It gives you a little bit of that pomade shine. It gives you a little bit of that weight. It keeps your hair nice and down and slicked. And overall, it just looks really, really good. Like, I am thoroughly impressed. And if you're like me and you don't normally like pomades, you should definitely try this, because it's not a dedicated pomade. It's more of like a hybrid pomade type of thing. And it really, really, I love it. It looks really, really good. So, let's do a quick 360 view. I'm legit shook right now at how much this product has impressed me. Like, I definitely recommend this, guys. If you haven't tried it out, you need to check out Hanz De Fuko's Modifying Pomade. But we're not done yet. We still have one more product to try out. Let's hit the shower. Alright, and last but not least, the final hair product that we're going to be testing out today is Hanz De Fuko Quicksand. Alright, now this product I have used before. I have the Quicksand already, but Hanz De Fuko did send it out to me in the sampler as well. This product is on the total opposite end of the spectrum as the Modified Pomade. Whereas the Modified Pomade has a decent amount of shine, the Quicksand is totally matte. Like, unbelievably matte. Even more matte than the Claymation, if you're familiar with that. And the reason for that is that it actually acts as a dry shampoo. It has ingredients in it and elements in it that actually take grease and moisture out of your hair. So if you're on like day 2 or day 3 of unwashed or unconditioned hair, this will dry out the grease that's in your hair and make it look a little bit less gross. So this makes your hair feel really thick, really dense, and really gritty because of the nature of the dryness. So I'm not gonna use too much of it. Just about that much. Go ahead and emulsify it. When you emulsify this product, you can almost feel how dry it is in your hands. It's kind of ridiculous. Like, it looks shiny, but I promise you, you'll see when it goes in my hair, it will completely mat it out. It's crazy. Like, any moisture, gone. Gone. Totally gone. Like, if my hair was greasy before, it certainly isn't now. Alright, and for this hairstyle, since I failed at the texture quiff earlier, I am going to do that now. Alright, and now with the Quicksand in my hair, as you can see, it really does not have much shine to it at all. The only reason it does is because of these bright ass lights right here. Otherwise, this is completely matte. And honestly, when you use this product, it feels like there's sand like in your hair. Like, it literally feels like there's sand in your hair. It feels so dry. It almost sounds like there's paper in your hair. It's so strange. But this is that textured quiff type of look. I have a lot of mobility with it, but ultimately it's gonna give me a decent amount of hold all day long. So here are the final results. So since the Quicksand is so versatile in how it feels and how it works in your hair, I would recommend this product for any hair type, whether it's thin, all the way up to like thick and curly hair. This product can be beneficial to literally anyone, and I highly recommend it. And to be completely honest, I don't like to use the Quicksand by itself as its own product for my hair to style it. I actually like to use it in unison with another product like Claymation, or I would even use it with the Gravity Paste on those days where I've not washed my hair for a few days just to keep it healthy and I need a little bit of that grease to be taken out. Or even if I just want to add a little bit of texture to my hair, this product is literally so textured. Like I said, it feels like there's sand in my hair. It feels so stiff, it feels so thick in my hair. So if you don't like a lot of texture in your hair, if you don't like to feel a product in your hair, that's something to consider. Alright, and that's 4 hairstyles with 4 different types of hair products that you can try, you can experiment with, and you can decide what works best for your hair. I highly recommend, if you don't know what type of hair product you're looking for, to go to a website like HanzDeFuko.com and buy the sample pack. They'll send you a select number of samples of each product that you want, and you can try the different ones out and see what works best for your hair, what works best for your hairstyle, and what you like the most. And then once you've tried it out and you run out, you can actually purchase the real thing. I also highly suggest that you check out HanzDeFuko.com because Hanz De Fuko hair products are absolutely incredible. They feel great in your hair. They work absolutely phenomenally. So if you're in between hair products and you don't know which one you want to try next to make it your go-to, I would really suggest going over to HanzDeFuko.com and trying out their 6 product sample pack, because it's going to allow you to try out a bunch of different products for a really good price point, and you don't have to buy the whole thing and then not like it. You can just try out every single one, see what works best for your hair, what doesn't, what works best with the style that you're trying to go for, and you can purchase it from there. So Hanz De Fuko freaking hooked it up. They gave us our discount code, our freaking discount code for 15% off your first order, and that discount code is ZJordan. It's going to be on the screen right here. It's going to be in the description for you to copy and paste so you can use and try out any Hanz De Fuko products that you want to find the perfect product for you. And one of the main reasons that I like Hanz De Fuko products so much is because they're made with certified organic extracts, they're paraben free, and they are water soluble. So they're not going to hang out in your hair, they're not going to damage your hair, they're going to wash out, they're going to go away, and they're not going to be harmful to your beautiful, curly, luscious locks on the top of your head. Alright guys, so like I said, if you want to use that discount code at HanzDeFuko.com, you can get 15% off your order. They hooked us up with a deal, man. That is so freaking cool of Hanz De Fuko to do that for us. Also, that wraps it up for today's video, guys. If you like this content, hit that subscribe button down below and you can see when I post a video next. Join the freaking crew family because we have huge things coming to this channel in 2018. And if you hit that subscribe button, you can be a part of it too. Also, we have just surpassed 850 subscribers. And when we reach 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. I have decided what it's gonna be. I will be giving away a $100 gift card to either Minimal LA or HanzDeFuko.com, depending on your choice. So leave your comments and thoughts down below. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is subscribe and comment down below, like this video, and I will see you guys next time. I'm out of here.